Python, then you can start from here. Just type Python. Here two application it is showing Python 3.8 32-bit, but you have to start this one IDLE Python 3.8 32-bit. This one you have to start. Today, today we will start creating Python program based on conditional statements only, and we will use here multiple conditions. When we have more than two conditions to check, then we have to use elif condition. The program that I am going to create, it is the grade calculation. Grade is calculated depending on the marks. If the marks are greater than 90 A1, greater than 80 A2, greater than 70 B1. So this way we have multiple conditions. How to solve this problem? Let us see. Go to the file option, click on new file. Let us start our programming. So let me write the command to calculate grade. I am taking one variable marks. It is of type float. Input, enter marks. Now I have to check the conditions. If marks is greater than or equal to 90, then put colon. Colon is necessary after each condition. Then it is automatically indenting. Indenting, it represents the block structure. Means if this condition is true, then this will be executed. Then what will we have to show? Print A1 grade. Then put backspace here. Again go to there. If next condition is marks is greater than or equal to 80, then again put colon, print, it becomes the A2 grade. Then again click on backspace, press the backspace key. If marks is greater than equal to 70, put colon, then we have to print the B1 grade. Then again if marks is greater than or equal to 60, then B2 grade. Again if marks is greater than equal to 50, put colon, print C1. In this way you can see when we have the multiple condition, then we have to solve using the if conditions. Then again if marks is greater than equal to 40, then we have to give the grade C2 grade. Again press backspace. If marks is greater than equal to 33, then we have to print D grade. Then again one last condition, it is a 9-point grading system. If it is greater than 20, then we put E1 grade. Here double quotes will also start. Next, at last, when all the conditions are completed, if all the condition becomes false, then what will happen? Then we will decide in the else block. It will becomes the last condition, that is E grade. Now our program is over. So see the structure. After each condition, you have to put a colon. It is compulsory, otherwise error will come. And all the true blocks, means this blocks you have to write after indenting. Hai. Again then condition you have to start from here, this location. So see the structure. In this structure only you have to create the Python program. Let us save this program. I am giving the file name grade calculation in short. Save this file, then run this file, run module. Now it will ask the marks. Suppose I am entering the marks 45. So according to the condition, it comes to C2 grade. Okay, so 45 I pressed means here C2 grade, it will be executed. Again run the program. Let me enter the mark, suppose 92, A1 grade. So in this way we can solve this problem. I think you understood nicely. Thank you.